Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to remove a Google account on Android. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to remove a Google account on Android device, you can follow this step. First is open up settings on your app on your Android device. Then scroll down, then tap accounts. Tap on Google. Tap on the Google account that you want to remove. Then click More and tap Remove Account. Then tap Remove Account again to confirm. Your Google account will be removed from the device. Note that removing a Google account from your Android device will also remove all of its associated data, including emails, contacts, and other information that is synced to the account. Make sure to back up any important data before removing the account. So that's how to remove a Google account on Android. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!